Hey, hello guys. So in today's video I'm just going to check my GoPro settings. Like, maybe this is the first video that I'm going to upload. Let's see how it goes. I hope the audio is recording well and good. Actually, this is the second time that I'm checking this setup. Last time, like, there have been some issues with the audio as well as the angle of the video, so I just rectified those errors this time, and here we are. So now I'm just going to fill up some fuel, and then there is an interesting trail out there. I will just ride through the trail and let's see. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, so just keep watching. Oh man, the sunset is really beautiful, isn't it? I don't know whether GoPro is making justice to show this gorgeous view of this nature. I mean, look at this, the trees and all. It forms a tunnel, man. So to the guys thinking about what bike I'm riding right now, it's the Hero Xpulse 4-valve. The successor version of Xpulse 200 from Hero. Quick intro about the bike, and his name is Frosty, by the way. Oh my god, the crowd. So let's fill some fuel up and let's go. So yeah, I just filled the fuel, and here we go. I don't know, man. Oh, it's a good day, it seems. A lot of people out here. Yeah, it's Sunday. I think a lot of people are out here for the functions and gatherings, it seems. I don't know. Looks like that. Doesn't look this busy always. I don't know, today it's little bit too busy, the road. So the trail, about the trail that I'm going to take, it's nowhere but a few kilometers from my place. It's not a crazy trail, but it's something kind of off-road which is laid on the side of canal. I know for city people you might think this is not a busy traffic or busy road, but for me I usually see this road as quite empty. Today it's a little too busy. Look at it. Beautiful. Yeah, it's definitely a good day, so a lot of gatherings and functions are happening, it seems. So we neared the trail that I am talking about. Water canal, by the way. So this is it. We should take a right, and there you go. By the way, people use this place for nonsense, like for drinking purpose, and if you know what I mean. Maybe, yeah, we spotted some people, right? Okay. Here we go. Oh my god, beautiful, man, isn't it? Actually, I came through this trail last week, I guess. It rained, and actually some trees were fallen and the route was blocked. I don't know whether it's cleared now. I'm just going through the same trail, but I don't know whether it's cleared now or not. Let's see how it goes. Oh man, my rear wheel is like going loose. So if you guys are somewhere near the rural areas or out from the city, you can find some canals near your place, and yeah, just take your adventure bike, or yeah, mostly adventure bikes, or more fun to ride on this road. So yeah, maybe look it up on the Google Maps and find out a trail like this. Yeah, it's pretty fun. If you want to get out of your home for some time, like a 30 minutes or 1 hour of getaway, you can maybe do something fun stuff like this. But of course you should be conscious while riding through these kind of trails, because of course if you go too crazy you will end up going in there. So be safe if you are doing something like that. So I usually do this route. I'll show you guys. It's mostly wider when you enter the trail, but as we go deep into the road, I mean as we go further, the road gets narrow. Oh my god, such a relaxing experience, man. At the same time, you experience a lot of fun while doing it. Look at the view. Actually, it's pretty cool when you come in the mornings. And imagine water flowing through this canal. So whenever I get some free time, I used to ride through these short trails and practice some off-road adventure biking techniques. Like, for the instance, get down the bike as quick as possible and park it aside. I'll show you guys now. And put the stand down and go. Yeah, that's a good fail over there. And yeah, if something like an emergency situation happens, you don't have to hop on the bike like a old man. Instead, you can just start the bike and just hop on it like a tiger. Yeah. Oh, the moon is up, and yeah, I'll just get back to home, hoping for the best. I hope the video is recording with the audio. I actually plugged an external microphone for the Gopro, and it fails most of the time, but I don't know how it works today. So I hope you guys liked it, and make sure to drop a like if you really enjoyed the video, and yeah, maybe even drop a comment. Yeah, that definitely motivates me to do more fun stuff. So more videos are on the way. Just make sure to subscribe the channel and look out for the video I'll be posting soon. Maybe on another ride video or whatever that's related to bikes and travel. So see you guys in the next one. Until then, ride safe and responsibly. This is Guru signing off.